Struggling with slow-growing, pale plants? Despite all your care? Here's a powerful fix hiding right in your kitchen. Yeast. Yes, the same yeast used in baking can revive weak plants, boost root growth, and turn your garden into a lush paradise. It's packed with vitamin B, amino acids, and minerals that energize plant metabolism and soil microbes. Here's how to make the yeast booster. Mix 1 teaspoon dry yeast plus 2 tablespoons sugar in 1 liter of warm water. Let it sit for 2 hours to activate. Then dilute in 5 liters of water and use it to water your plants at the base. Use it once every 2 weeks. You'll see brighter leaves, stronger stems, and faster growth in just days. Great for veggies, flowers, and seedlings. Use less for delicate plants. Don't overdo it. Try it and watch your garden transform naturally. If you found this tip useful, like, share, and follow for more. Happy growing!